Hi guys, I'm Angela with Coastal Crafts, and I'm here to introduce you to a new subscription box designed to simplify jewelry making. No more scouring the internet, looking for a project to make, or hopping from store to store, trying to gather all the materials that you think you might need to complete the project. Here's how it works. Each month you'll receive a kit straight to your door. In that kit, there will be string, beads, clasps, findings, all the materials that you need to make a boutique style piece of jewelry in the comfort of your own home. You'll also receive a link in your inbox that will take you to a video tutorial where I will show you step by step how to make that piece of jewelry. Super easy and convenient for you. And I've also put together a 5-piece toolkit that includes 3 tools and a couple accessories that will help simplify jewelry making. Having the right tools is very important, and it should help, eliminate frustration when creating your piece of jewelry. The first tool is a round nose plier that is used to make loops for wire wrapping and linking beads together. A chain nose plier that is good for crimping and gripping, opening jump rings. A pair of cutters that'll do just that, cut your string and wire and cord. I've also included a bead design board, which helps you lay out your project and design it and measure it before stringing. There's gonna also be, last but not least, cord ends. They are called bead stoppers, and they're little coils that go on the end of your string to keep your project together while you work. So if you click the link below and you sign up for the subscription box today, you'll receive that 5-piece toolkit at a discounted rate. So click the link below, join the club, get on board, and join me back here for class.